Hello, here we go. I'm gonna do a 25-second spray paint kitty cat. Now, I do a ton of kitty cats, plushies. I've been painting them all kinds of ways, drawing them, but I haven't done many with spray paint, so I figured I'd do that. And this guy's coming out pretty good, pretty weird, you know. It's got my style, and I've like barely done anything with spray paint. So I appreciate you watching this video. Hope you love it. Check out my podcast on this YouTube channel thingy. Hit the subscribe, all that stuff. You know what to do.